Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you a best firewall that you could install or use in your computer. So if your computer is vulnerable or if you got infected by malware or any viruses, then I must recommend you that you must download it and install it in computer. Okay? So the best firewall that I'm referring to is actually this Glasswire firewall. So here you can have this privacy and security features. And about this, once you install it, you can detect spyware, malware, badly behaving apps, and bandwidth hogs, then block their connections. And might as well you can instantly see who or what your PC is talking to, plus see what your PC may have connected to in the past. And also, you can monitor other pieces on your network and get alerted when new and known devices join your Wi Fi. And also, Glasswire warns you of network related changes to your PC or unusual changes to your apps that could indicate malware. So basically, this glasswire firewalls will help you to keep an eye about the current state, the health of your computer. It will keep your computer more secured and it will block badly behaving systems, applications, and can also detect malware in your computer. Okay? So how to download this? Just simply click free download, and as you can see here, over 44 million downloads. So it's a very good and great firewall that you could have in your computer. And one more good thing about that is it consumes a lesser space in your device. It has this only 81.9 MB of size. Okay? So enjoy and protect your computer using this glasswire. Okay? So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.